Hello, my friends. I am Catherine, and today I want to show you how to fold an origami wallet from paper. I've got this lovely bird paper, and I am excited to show you how to make this. Now, this is a non-standard piece of origami paper. This paper actually happens to be 12 inches by 9 inches, but this project is ideal with an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So if you have one that you particularly like and would love to have a wallet made of, use that. We are going to start with our pattern side facing up for a change with this project. No, most origami projects start with the pattern side facing down, but for this one we're starting with it facing up. And we're going to take and fold it in half long, so that the long ways becomes the short ways. There we go. And crease it down really well. That's going to become important in a moment. Now, we will open that back up and flip it over so that we have this sort of tent going on in the middle of our paper. And we will take the outside edge of our paper and bring it in to the center on both sides, creasing it down really well. So one side and then the other side. Creasing it down really well. All right, now we are going to open back up one side and fold that one further from the outside edge into that previous crease that we made. So right to there. You don't necessarily have to fold it right to there. You can fold it shorter than that, and your pocket will end up deeper on the front if you do that. But for this one, and for the purposes of this video, we're going to keep it simple and just fold it right to that crease, and then bring that back over so we've got this section of the back paper showing in the front. Now we're going to take and flip the whole thing over, and for this we're going to have to eyeball it, but we will bring up our raw edges about half an inch, maybe an inch to half an inch from the bottom edge up the side. And we will do that on both sides. The larger paper you're using, the deeper you can make this crease without affecting being able to hold actual money in your wallet. And we'll turn it around and do the same thing to the other side, trying to make them the same depth. It's not particularly important, but it makes a nicer product if you can make them the same depth. Then what we're going to do is take and open up this pocket, the larger of the two. So this one's the long one, this one's the short one. We're going to take the longer of the two pockets and open it up so that it's got this open edge right here, and bring the top corner down along that inside fold, and then fold it back over. And same thing for the opposite side. Flip it around, take the top corner, put it down along that inside fold, and close it back over. Now, what we are going to do is take our side with the short edges, so the short ones that we didn't just crease over at an angle, and fold that over the top one. And then, here comes the tricky part. We're going to tuck those short edges into those edges that we angle creased. So one side, and then the other side. And hopefully, everything lies down flat, or at least close enough to flat. And we're going to just press that upward a little bit so that the crease rolls out and comes flat, and then bring our nail down this crease just to harden it down a little bit, and you may be able to see the wallet from this point on. There's one more fold that we have to do, and that is to take the paper and fold it in half so that our outer edges meet. There we go. I'm trying to do it as evenly as possible. And crease the backside down. That is our wallet. It opens up. It's got these two pockets on the front, and it has a pocket in the top. And if you're really feeling secretive or want to hide your money, it's also got a secret pocket in the bottom. That is how we origami fold a wallet from a single sheet of paper. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. I have done a video on making a wallet before, but I didn't use this same technique. So it's a different style wallet, and I encourage you to go and watch it as well if you're interested. I will see you all another day. Remember to subscribe because I put up new videos every day. And have a great time. Bye!